matter how much stress you have at work, relationship, or countless other issues, it all just slips away when you lose yourself in a great story. From relieving stress to improving brain function to increasing your lifespan, books are a lot more than just entertaining people who enjoy them. Some of the benefits of reading are: number 1, brain workout. We regularly obsess over the best ways to exercise our body, how to shape it, strengthen it, and what to feed it. But how often we think about exercising our brain? What if we can exercise our brains just like our bodies? Well, you don't have to do much, just grab a book and start reading. If you struggle to focus, reading can help increase your attention span. Different areas of brain related to imagination, focus, concentration, thinking all gets activated when you read by giving your brain a good workout. Number 2, increase knowledge. Gaining knowledge by reading is one of the best options we have. We can literally witness the experiences people have documented throughout the ages. Books are helpful to learn values in life and change our mindset. It expands our mind. Reading books is an investment in yourself, and the right book can change your life. The information, understanding, or skills which requires years of experience or education can be learned quickly by books. Want to learn how to be healthy? Grab a book and read the experiences of others and make your life glorious quick. Number 3, reduce stress. Stress is believed to cause 60% of all human illnesses. According to a 2009 study conducted by University of Sussex in United Kingdom, reading can reduce stress as much by 68%. Studies have shown that just 6 minutes of reading can reduce stress by 60%, even more than listening to music or going for a walk. Isn't that amazing? Number 4, improve memory. One of the brain's most important center is memory. It's the storehouse of everything a person has learned in his life, from his name, skills to the identity of others. Every year, 5 lakh people die due to Alzheimer's. It's crucial to take care of our memory and brain. Well, all you have to do is pick a book. Studies have shown that staying mentally stimulated can slow the progress or even prevent dementia or Alzheimer's. Parts of brains that are for other functions such as imagination, learning, thinking all gets activated when you read. When you read, you're training your mind to focus on new information and take it in. So it's a great workout. Number 5, increase lifespan. Reading promotes longevity. According to Yale researchers who studied 3,635 people older than 50 and found that those who read books for average of 30 minutes daily live 23 months longer than non-readers. That's almost 2 years of increasing lifespan. Reading improves your mood, reduces stress, enhances cognitive abilities, makes you more empathetic, which makes your brain healthier, thereby increasing your lifespan. Number 6, vocabulary expansion. The key to a wide vocabulary is the love of reading. If you want to expand your vocabulary, establish a reading routine and stick to it. The more you read, the more new words you gain exposure to, which enhances your vocabulary and helps improves your conversation in everyday life. People who are well spoken are of great help in any profession, and knowing that you speak well increases your self-esteem and confidence. Number 7, successful people are readers. All successful people have one thing in common. They are all readers. They never stop learning. People who do great things are serious about self-improvement. So reading a book is the best way to do that. All great leaders, CEOs, scientists read very frequently. So if you want to be successful, what are you waiting for? Go grab a good book.